Yeah, I would be too after Blake's fuck up.
Wish you had a man who could cook, Matty. My goodness.
What do you think, Curtis?
Yeah, she looks pretty good.
My God.
Day 8, guys. What up? Charlotte's in the driver's seat. So, what are we doing today?
Cruising up the old telly. We're at Dolhunty River now. Shoot up to Gunshot. Check that out. Decide which crossing we want to do. Then we've got Cockatoo Creek. And probably set up camp at Sailor Creek. Have a nice easy half day. And shoot from there early next morning up to Fruitbat Falls. So hopefully we'll have the falls to ourselves. Who knows?
Charlotte. You ready to drive Gunshot? Fuck yeah! Joe doesn't look too happy to get it.
You guys. Going.
I had decided prior to my arrival at Gunshot that the D-Max was going to be taking the chicken track. The Ranger followed suit with me, but the other boys, they wanted to see it for their own eyes before making their assessments. Joe opted for the bulldozer route, while the other two decided to tackle Gunshot head on.
Ready, keep running.
Yeah, that's good, mate.
Who's up there? What's that? Hawaiian noises. Banging on the bottles like a chicken fest. Oh, that ain't working. That's the same thing. Take your hand for nothing.
Up the mighty moo.
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the Isuzu move. 5-year-old Cape Challenge car doing Gunshot.
These color TV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks.
He's good.
What's